a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The former Nigeria Vice President Atiku has called on the Inspector General of Police, H0T, to release the detained leaders of the People Democratic Party in Edo State. Moving on after this, we have Ighodalo, the chairman of the Nigeria Labour Congress in Edo State, warned of unrest if the PDP candidate Ighodalo is not declared the winner of the September 21st governorship election. Hey, my people, it all set. All right, my wonderful people, before I commence fully, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. So guys, let's proceed. The former Nigeria Vice President Atiku has called on the Inspector General of Police, H0T, to release the detained leader of the People Democratic Party in Edo State. Atiku made this appeal on Thursday via his social media platform, X, formerly known as Twitter. He criticized the arrest, which took place just before the governorship election. So Atiku is calling it an abuse of power by the police and other security agencies. My people, don't be small matter. You guys can record that few days ago, the People Democratic Party raises an alarm, and the Edo State government, they raised an alarm over the arrest of the leaders of the People Democratic Party, urging the security agency to halt the arrest. To the point that the State Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Ighodalo, stated in his statement on Tuesday that the arrest was the handwork of the All Progressive Congress. Ighodalo claimed that over 10 PDP leaders, including the chairman of the East and West Local Government Area, Collins Ighodalo, were being kept in dungeons on the order of the APC. So he called on the security agency to halt the arrest of the PDP leaders and supporters in Edo State ahead of the September 21st governorship election. He noted that no amount of intimidation would make the APC win the governorship election. Ighodalo said, let the APC explain to them where their members and leaders are. Why have they not been charged in court since their arrest? Instead, the APC has been boasting of their plan to attack and to intimidate. Not only that though, to harass the PDP members and supporters. So now Atiku have criticized the arrest which took place just before the governorship election in those states. He has called it an abuse of power by the police and other security agencies. Atiku condemned the use of federal resources to target political opponents, stating that such action undermines democracy. In Atiku's post, he urged the authorities to either release the PDP leader or charge them to court if there are legitimate reasons for holding them. He said the time has come for their security agency to be held accountable because arresting local PDP leaders right before an election is a serious violation of the principle of peace and fairness. He emphasized that the Inspector General of Police and other security leaders should act quickly to restore fairness and avoid using federal power to intimidate the opposition. Hey, my don't be small matter. Now, waiting Governor Godwin Obaseki also told them. He said if there is anything they did, they should charge them to court here in Benin City, not taking them to Abuja. Because he will not sign the peace accord where he knows what APC are trying to do. So there's no point signing the peace accord. My people, don't be small mass so I made this governorship election. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions. Make I know what you feel about this matter in the comment section. Let us get to know your opinion in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Ighodalo, chairman of the Nigeria Labour Congress in Edo State, warned of unrest if the PDP candidate Dr. Ighodalo is not declared the winner of the September 21st gubernatorial election. Audio remarks have sparked controversy, intensifying an already tense political environment with allegation of election tampering from both the PDP and APC. With accusation flying and inflammatory rhetoric on the rise, there are growing concerns about potential unrest on election day. Ojo, the chairman of the Labour Nigeria Congress in Edo State, has ignited controversy, my people, ahead of the upcoming gubernatorial election on September 21st. In a widely circulated video, Ojo, while campaigning for People Democratic Party candidate Ighodalo in Benin City, made a comment suggesting unrest if Ighodalo is not declared the winner. Why put up a small matter? He said he wants to assure them that PDP, their party, is going to win 80% come the 21st of September. And on the 22nd, they must declare Ighodalo the winner. He went further, warning that the states will burn if the Independent National Electoral Commission failed to announce Ighodalo as the victor. My people, the remark don't cause another wahala. Join the tense political atmosphere in Edo State. Allegations of potential electoral manipulation have been flying between the PDP and the All Progressive Congress. That one no reach. Now the PDP chairman, Dr. Tony Ezebami, accused the APC of planning to deploy fake INEC officials disguised as technical staff to interfere with the bimodal voter accreditation system, a key component in ensuring a transparent election. However, Prince Kasim Afebwai, the media director of the APC campaign council, quickly dismissed the accusation, labeling them as baseless. With both parties trading accusation and inflammatory rhetoric entering the fray, concerns are growing over potential unrest on election day. As tensions mount, all eyes are on the INEC to ensure a free and fair election. Course for restraint from political actors. There's an earlier report that the PDP said that the All Progressive Congress governorship candidate in Edo State, Senator Mondo Bobolo, is not a registered voter, hence he is out of the race. The PDP said this was discovered by checks in the Independent National Electoral Commission portal. Why people don't be small while. So PDP and APC has been accusing each other. The atmosphere is getting more intense. They feel not to rest. This is a government election. We pray for peace to reign. Let the people of Edo State shine their eye this time around and vote for the right person. Vote for the competent candidates. Because as the matter be so, all eyes are on INEC. So INEC should try their best and conduct a free, fair and credible election in Edo State. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out on our latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys.